If you want to unlink from a link to Windows on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then here's what we need to do. First of all, let's go to Settings, choose Connected Devices, and then we want to go to Link to Windows. Now over here you should be able to find your linked account. So we can go over here. At the top we have list of computers that we are connected to. So we can tap on this gear icon on the right side in order to go to the details, and we should be able to find the disconnect option. So this is something that we can use if you want to simply disconnect a single computer in case, for example, you have multiple different computers connected over here. You can do that, and you can also just sign out over here. We have the sign out option, so you will log out of the account that you are that you have on your link to Windows. So if you do that, of course, then every computer also will be disconnected, and that works as well. So by doing this, you will completely disconnect from link to Windows from every computer that you have connected, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.